Reason number 4. You haven't made the decision to become rich. We know it might sound silly to say that people choose not to be rich. But the truth is, there are many people who don't want to be wealthy. Have you ever attended a conference and been left with the impression that the person who just spoke to you knows all of the secrets to success? It's fair to say that even when given a roadmap of how to build wealth, many people fail to make the ultimate decision and commit in order to reach their goal. This indecisiveness has led many, if not most, to do nothing and continue living their status quo life. This often coincides with not having any wealth saved up. It's like Albert Einstein famously said, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results." If we want to become wealthy, we need to abandon our current lifestyle and pursue wealth relentlessly until it all comes true for us. So quit being indecisive, and just like you have committed to stop eating at McDonald's, make a commitment to pursue your goal. And if you found this information educational, you should really further your knowledge by watching the full video. I'll see you over there.